Yo, what is going on, guys?
We're back at it again with another video. We finally made it to our spot and we're gonna be racing tomorrow. So this is gonna be kind of like a little montage of everything that's been happening over the last 2 weeks because it's all like jumbled up, but it's gonna include our trip. So here we go. I just got the tires in today for the hatch and I need to go break them in. So I got them right there. And we're gonna throw them on my white Civic and get them all heated up and everything, up to temp.
I'm gonna put it on there?
Yeah, you putting it on there. Well, at least putting it up there.
There you go.
Alright, so we just got everything. I got all this welded up. Obviously y'all seen the up pipe or the turbo manifold. But got these all done. They came out, they're okay. They came out okay. Could use some work, but I'll get there.
The fucking audio on this camera. Like that's not gonna.
Got the O2 bung welded on. All the fuels on. And I'm gonna put this on too, but it'll be later. So Jack's getting ready to fire up.
It's gonna be worse than the last.
Yeah.
Ooh, the trans is empty.
That's actually pretty quiet. From right here,
It's not bad. Yeah.
I thought it was gonna like rape my ears. It did not.
That's what it's prepared for.
I want to quote Jack real quick. He said you won't be able to hear the cam that much.
It wasn't that bad.
It wasn't.
It wasn't.
I mean, you can still hear it. There.
Yeah, I think the turbo really smoothed it out, like as far as the sound.
Oh, you could 100% when that cam is loping, you can watch the friggin' turbo
Speed
spool
up.
Yep, speed up and slow down. I don't know if I caught it on the camera, but in person, like you could see it. It's just
Dude, it fired right up. Fired right the fuck up.
I didn't know this.
your cold start is a little rich, but
Yeah, that's my base map. Is just
Yeah.
a fire up tune. Dude, it fired up instantly. That means we did the surge tank right. That means all that's right. I'm stoked.
Everything we've done up to this point is right.
Yeah, I just need to clean up, tidy up, do everything like the permanent way. Run my wires right, and all this shit, fix all that. Hell yeah, dude.
that's what I'm talking about. All right, guys, after a really long night, finally got the Innovative mounts in. They look pretty dang small. I don't know if anybody else is running these, knows, but they look really, really small. So, I mean, I guess that's for, weight savings, but I don't know. Race car things, right? So, but we got those two in, so that definitely is going to help a lot with this engine torquing. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the back one in because I was sent the wrong part, but also that's the wrong part. But we made it work, so I think we'll be okay with that. But yeah, I mean, everything else seems pretty solid, honestly. I know at the start of the video, you guys saw us putting these wheels on my white Civic, and that was just to break these in. So a lot of stuff kind of happened with that I didn't film. These center bores were actually too small, so I took a Dremeled them out. You can kind of see the ring right here where they're hitting on my rotor. These are all good to go. They're basically broken in. I got a heat cycle in them, so I think that'll be fine. I'll see you guys tomorrow after this gets tuned. Let's go to tomorrow. Alright guys, right now we're in Jack's car doing a last little run before we go ahead and get ready for IFO tomorrow. So we're just going to be doing a little, we probably won't do a test hit, but we're just going to test and make sure this anti-lag works. think it pops and bangs now. Oh fuck, I forgot this is touchscreen. Oops.
That was pretty good.
Yeah.
That was the button.
Oh, that was the button?
Yeah.
Oh, word.
No, I don't see anything. I think it's trying. I hear it trying too.
Everything's looking good. Alright guys, so we got Phil's R33 is going with us. We got the dang Civic up on the trailer. We're about to get Jack's car up on the trailer and make our way over to IFO. I gotta put some painter's tape on this dang doohickey here, just so that way I don't get no garbage while we're on the interstate. That would not be a good time. But yeah, we're getting it ready. About to head out, make some boosts, do some pulls. Hopefully get some good runs in today. Super excited. Got it all taped up now. Should be good to go. I think the exhaust will be fine. I might tape this when we get to the track because it's still a little wobbly. But we got Phil Gates, bro. Gonna be in the 33, just cruising by. Hell yeah.
Put this in the 400.
Who is that guy way down there? Good?
Yeah, I need to get an oil cooler.
Oh shoot, getting kind of warm.
It's getting warm. Well, it's my oil pressure. You can see it. It gets a little. When I do like the two-step, do a pull.
Mm-hmm.
You can see it with the oil. It just seems like it's getting hot. It's getting thin.
Oh yeah. Shoot. Well, we got the blanket for that.
Did it come in? Where's that?
I don't know. You said it came in.
Yeah, it did. Why? What's that?
Oh yeah. Wastegate blanket came in from that Amazon Prime.
Coupler looks real shiny, like there's liquid on it.
Oh my gosh, that was a process, but we got it on the trailer finally. Now we're about to jump in this little Chicano and start hitting the road. Ethan, how you feel, bro?
Terrified.
Dude, that was a process, dog.
That was a process. That was a process, and then it was scary as hell riding in that. And now I think about that going down the track strip. Terrifying, bro.
One lug though. One lug.
Yeah, one lug all the way around, only one lug. The wheels are just rust welded on.
Exactly.
Let's get it.
That's all we need.
Yeah.
That's all we need. We just had to shift some weight around because the truck is sagging. We got everything ready to go. Got Phil Gates in the back over there. Hell yeah, this is Phil Gates, bro. All right, we're ready. Let's do it. Yo, we got both cars on the trailer at Bussy's. We're almost there. We're just waiting for Phil. Dude, where is Phil, bro?
Wait, we're taking this.
Oh man. Whoa, look at this. The dash is tripping out. Rolling deep with the 33. The Beamer. And this guy that keeps tailgating us. Hell yeah. We just made it with a little bit of daylight left. We may have forgot the tools, but we didn't forget the cars. See all the way over there. Bro, and the GTR is looking fresh too. And the Beamer. I will see you guys tomorrow at IFO. Peace.